I did not know about this world of coaching. It was absolutely it just happened for me. I was just going through a lot of HR, my mentor profiles. That what did they do for doing this, coach sessions? Then I came across SCI, ICF, all these new, institutes opened up a whole world for me, and that's how the journey of being a life coach, that tempted me. That how do I do it, and where do I go to, whom do I approach? So I think SCI and we had a great chemistry from the day I started to inquire. And thanks for their patience with a number of questions I had for them before I could start. And there it goes.
Great.
So SCI, I was more when I was talking to Renu ma'am over there initial days. So ma'am suddenly said one line, she said me that you will be very lucky in this session because one of our founders are going to teach you. Not all the sessions we do it, so we will have one of our founders. And I thought nothing can be better than this. I mean, founders coming to it, and I, being a startup HR all throughout my life, I thought that this will be an opportunity for me to transform myself. So, the strong foundation that SCI program provided, the spirit of the coaching was one thing from the day one when Saras came as a coach to us. That how does the day look to you, or how do we start the day? And those blend of all these theories, the practices, the coaching spirit while giving the feedback helped me to develop a lot of confidence, I would say, to hold a meaningful coaching conversation. And but I think that was like the mindset shift which happened, right? Giving advice, not to give advice, but just to facilitate the awareness of the ownership. All this came, I think, during this journey. The way I was in the office before the being the coach, being mindful, being in the conversation, I have now at least uh, I see. I mean, I'm more mindful of the understanding of what the coachee is talking about on the practices that we have also learned during our sessions. How to slowly listen with a lot of empathy, being curious, not being curious, and not to jump into too much into those, being thoughtful, be a patient listener. I think all these have impacted as a journey, as a leader, a lot. I
Hmm.
mean, that mindfulness has come a lot between in all of us. I'm sure in the session, everyone we have grown to a different level now. Of course, I've become a lot more understanding. I've been I'm patient a lot more. Seeing the power of no in a subtle way has helped me a lot. I mean, I'm not reactive. Um, I've slowed down in my life, yet being mindful.